Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, I would like to show you how to edit an already scanned document. This video is for educational purpose only, and it's not to be used for fraudulent activities or leading directly or indirectly to fraudulent activity. The essence of this video is to make sure that when you don't conclude your decision based on people who present you with their documents, but you go further to do the findings to be sure that the documents people are presenting to you are authentic, because people can actually manipulate documents using paint. So to this session, I'm going to be teaching you how to edit a document, a certificate I got online, how to edit it using paint. It's very simple and easy with just a few steps. Okay, I have the picture right here. All I need to do is right click on it and open it with paint. Okay, when the picture is opened with paint, I have to zoom it a little bit, good, so that you can see what is there. Beautiful. So now that I have this out there, you can see this tool here is a select tool. So I'm going to grab that and then copy a fraction of this white area here. Then okay, copy that, edit, copy, and then I'm going to paste it. I'll paste it, so you can see it's pasted there. I'll drag that. Before then, this is Willie Smith. Okay, I'm going to drag that here. Okay, and cover all of it. You can stretch it a little bit. Since it doesn't have a background, I can stretch it. Okay, now I'm going to come back here and grab my text, place this text somewhere here, good, and then type in Willie Smith. Beautiful. Now I'll highlight this. I'm going to reduce the font size a bit to 24. That looks fine. Yes, beautiful. So this are just the simple steps to editing a picture or already scanned document. It could be any kind of document was already scanned. You can edit. Kindly subscribe to my videos for more content from